Chicken Inasal, the professional recipe. Make your own, guys. Look this baby. That's the one. That is not the one actually, is the best. I will start marinating the chicken. We do the traditional version and the mamacita one. In the meantime, we do our chicken oil that we need to do our basting sauce. After we sous vide at 72 degrees for 15 minutes, of course, we will need our vacuum machine before the sous vide and after we finish everything on the charcoal grill. Sous vide machine, it's a beautiful machine that in a professional kitchen give us consistency, control of temperature, maintain all the juice inside, that you can have a juicy, amazing chicken with a beautiful texture. And all we will do in a professional way with a professional chef. If you don't have all those accessories, no problem, you can do traditional way. Chef Luca, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share and
subscribe.
And let's start with the ingredient for our marination. Of course, for the mamacita version, it's just that. This product is amazing because it's all in one and you don't need to chop and cut 3000 ingredients. For the traditional version we will use 250 ml of coconut or cider or cane vinegar. In terms of vinegar, this beautiful brand both the coconut vinegar or the cane vinegar. I will use the cane vinegar today. Calamansi juice, of course we use the fresh one. I will use 15 pieces. 50 grams of fresh ginger, chop it. 3 garlic cloves, chop it as well. 2 stalks of lemongrass. 50 grams of brown sugar and 15 grams of salt and 15 of ground pepper. 30 grams of chopped red onion and half cup of lemon soda. Not necessary, let's say like that, but I will use it. We mix all the ingredients together. If you put it in a bowl, you need to let it rest minimum 4 hours. I suggest overnight. If you put, like me, in a vacuum bag, you can keep it 1 hour in the fridge and ready to go. I test both versions, of course, but my question is why you need to spend so much time, money and ingredient if you can have just one that make the difference, guys. The result, unbelievable. Our sous vide machine is set of 15 minutes at 72 degrees sharp. We don't go over. If you wanna cook the whole chicken, this boot will take around 30-35 minutes. In this case, we wanna just pre-sear and keep the juice inside before we smoke in the barbecue. Like this, we will have a super nice and juicy chicken with the smoky flavor typical of the Inasal. And look at that, perfectly vacuum. What is doing the vacuum machine is remove all the air of inside the bag, and the juice will penetrate better the chicken. That means instead of overnight or 6 hours or wherever it is, we will wait just 1 hour in the fridge. And ready. Our chicken oil will take around 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. We take the chicken skin and the fat, we pre-boil it, or if you want you can steam it to remove the impurity. After we saute in the pan, I add a little bit of neutral oil to render the fat, and we cook it till it's fried, it's crispy. We got our snacks for the barbecue, the chicharrones. The best of making your chicken oil is getting these beautiful chicken chicharrones, a perfect snack waiting for your barbecue. Unbelievable. We strain it, we saute in the pan with 3 garlic cloves, 2 stalks of lemongrass, we add our achiote or annatto. Of course, powder annatto, I use the Mamacita brand, will make the difference. Unbelievable product with a beautiful flavor. We strain everything and that's it. And this is our beautiful achiote chicken oil ready for our Basting Sauce. For our Basting Sauce, I made a super simple version. That means I use margarine, our chicken annatto oil, calamansi juice, brown sugar, and that's it. Of course, salt and pepper. If you didn't use garlic for your chicken oil, I suggest you to add. Filipino love garlic. As a dipping sauce, I suggest you toyo calamansi from Mamacita brand, combination of soy and calamansi. If you don't find the fresh calamansi, that's the best. Of course, remember when I speak about spoon, I speak about this. Measuring spoon coming from Amazon. I will put the link in bio like all the accessories that we use in this video. 8:30 in Abu Dhabi, we are on the balcony. Unbelievable day. I spoke with the security, we cannot light our barbecue. Unfortunately, my plan of the barbecue on the balcony didn't work at all. That means I bring my marinated chicken at work and we will use our professional grill. Actually, it's a stone grill, very powerful, but I will use my smoke oil to give this smoky flavor. And we will put it in our Basting Sauce. As a brush, I select few herbs from my garden, rosemary, some calamansi leaf, and a little bit of sage. What we do, with a rope, we wrap all together and we use it as a brush. And will be very nice, very aromatic, beautiful tools for our chicken Inasal. And that, guys, it's the game changer. The flavor of the calamansi, the rosemary, mixed with our Basting sauce. Unbelievable. And this is our sous vide chicken, again ready for the grill. What they normally do, they score the chicken, they open the breast, and they stick it. It's getting a little bit dry, you cannot control it. If you sous vide and you grill the whole piece, you are sure it's beautiful and juicy. Beautiful, smell unbelievable, ready for our grill. And of course, don't forget to add your smoke oil to your Basting sauce. Smell like charcoal. Unbelievable. And that's the result. Look at that. Smell unbelievable. The smokiness of the grill and the oil. The calamansi, the chicken, the Basting Sauce. Make your own, guys. That's the one. That is not the one, actually. It's the best. Unbelievable recipe. And if I need to be honest, the Mamacita version, look at that, is the best. And we go back home for the tasting, the best moment. Chicken Inasal, the professional recipe. Make your own, guys. Look this baby. Time to enjoy this unbelievable chicken Inasal. And we do a Filipino way by hand. Of course, need to take the chicken oil and dress your rice. First job. Second job. You need to do your toyo calamansi. We have the calamansi fresh and the chili, but what we do today, because not everybody can have it, we use that. Toyo calamansi from Mamacita brand. Unbelievable product. And of course, you can dip it in your toyo calamansi. You can use just fresh calamansi. Make your own, guys. Chicharrones coming from the chicken oil, this is a plus and a must, I will say, super beautiful. Break your rice like this. I think so. This unbelievable chicken, super hot, nice and juicy. Put all together like this. Dip in the sauce and enjoy. Actually, it's unbelievable, guys. The superstar of the chicken Inasal. And don't forget your chicharrones. Dip it in. Unbelievable. See you next recipe. Don't forget, this brand is the best. Unbelievable recipe. Professional style chicken Inasal. Make your own, guys. Chef Luca, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe.